Hello. Thank you so much for helping us. You will find all forms of assistance in the description. Now we will analyze the current fundamental indicators of the company Palantir Technologies, PLTR, ticker, PLTR. The review is based on current data as of July 7, 2024. According to classification GURU.Markets company Palantir Technologies, PLTR, belongs to the subcategory. Data: 53 organizations take part in the analysis. This is very representative. Let's start with summary information about the company. If you want, you can pause the video. You can look at each indicator of the corporation under study more carefully. Access to the table with the structure of company tickers is free. I kindly ask you to share the review on your social networks. Thank you for your repost and other help. It helps a lot in further work. So here we go. Market capitalization of the company Palantir Technologies Inc. valued at $60.64 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $584 billion. Palantir Technologies, PLTR, accounts for a share of 10.391%. It is one of the large companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $3.56 billion. And the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $54 billion. Palantir Technologies Inc. accounts for a share of 6.654%. Comparing the shares of exchange and book value, we see the following. Share Palantir Technologies Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 10.391%. The balance sheet capitalization is 6.654%. This is 36% less than the share of market value. Assessment of the organization's share of the market and book value of the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. The organization's financial liabilities amount to $0.214 billion. Debt to book capitalization is 6% of capital. Score for the company's financial obligations, very good, 2 points. The company's stock price to profit balance is 214.9. With an average for the subcategory of 128.1, which is 40% higher than in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's market value to profit indicators in comparison within the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $299 million. Projected earnings for the coming 12 months are expected to be $502 million. Which is 68% more than at the current moment. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Balance of company value to revenue 26. The subcategory average is 6.7 and is 288% higher than the subcategory average. Assessment of the company's market price to revenue indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $2,330 million. Forward revenue for the coming 12 months is expected to be $3,920 million. Which is 68% more than now. Estimation of expected future sales compared to subcategory performance. Good, 1 point. If you are interested in this analytics, I kindly ask you to subscribe to us and click on the bell. The sales margin is 12.8%, with an average in the subcategory of 5.2%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 7.5%. Assessment of sales profitability in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees by subcategory is 1.386%. This is 650% less than the market capitalization share. This fact shows an imbalance in the market value of the organization Palantir Technologies, PLTR, probably towards revaluation. The amount of capital for each employee of the organization is $16,235,000. Whereas for the subcategory $2,166,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the organization's indicators is 649.5%. Estimation of the company's capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Tolerable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee is $79,900. Average for the subcategory, $16,900. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 373%. Estimation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $625,000. By subcategory $322,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 94%. Estimation of sales per company employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. There are 3.8% of shares for sale, compared with the subcategory average of 5.7%. This is an indicator of a possible short squeeze. Technical indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 70% for the company Palantir Technologies Inc. Whereas for the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is approximately 54%. Potentially, the subcategory's securities are valued lower than the company's Palantir Technologies Inc. Comparing the dynamics of a company's share price Palantir Technologies Inc. and subcategory companies. We can see that over the last 12 months the stock Palantir Technologies Inc. showed a change of 73.4%. Against price dynamics in the subcategory minus 0.7%. This definitely does not mean anything, but it is necessary to keep this fact in mind. The overall result is as follows, 2.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1.1 points. If you look broadly, within the entire US market in aggregate, we can see that the average score for the US stock market in aggregate is 0.4 points. Against the score of 2.5 points from Palantir Technologies Inc. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions made by the evaluation information system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and free. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of securities valuation Palantir Technologies (PLTR) information and reference system GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Do not open an order due to the fact that Palantir Technologies (PLTR) this is not an undervalued company in the subcategory. Thank you very much for watching this video and for using the help system from GURU.Markets. You are all the coolest crowd on the entire planet.